Hey, we're back with another video on Triumph Scrambler, and I think this is part 4 of the modifications. We've got a part that I've had in the house for about 2 months now. It came with the peg delete kit, so it's from Tech Bike Parts. Let's have a look. Here we go. It's the chain guard on the front sprocket. Right, let's do the usual thing of opening it up and weighing it, see if we're going to save any weight. There we go, 308 grams in total for the actual guard and all the fastenings. So just a quick recap. We've got the Joker fuel cap, the Motone Customs shorty front mudguard, and we've got the Tech Bike Parts rear peg delete kit. This is what we're going to be changing over today. So I'm going to use an 8mm socket for this, just to take the old fixings off. Let's go. This is actually surprisingly light. Let's take it all inside and see how much it weighs. But that definitely needs a clean. It's a perfect time to do it. We're back inside. Let's weigh the old guard, see how much it comes to. Oh yeah, 909 grams with fixings. So was that twice as much? Can't remember how much the other one was now. Say hello. So this needs a good old clean. So I got some motorbike chain cleaner here, which I usually use for the rest of the chain. I think it's a good time to get this all cleaned up. Actually, the rest of the chain needs a bit of attention too. Most of the fixings have this black washer, and then you've got one by itself, one bolt by itself, just with a washer, and that one needs to go in the bottom here, I believe, and it doesn't actually attach to the new guard. To fix these you need a size 5 Allen key. Hand tighten first. Sprocket, the new chain guard for the front sprocket. This one's from Tech Bike Box. Just need to tighten everything up. This spark came in at £45. So if you like that video, please like and subscribe. Just a short one today. Just like the rest of my mods. It's so simple to do and just lets you customize your bike and make it slightly unique to everyone else's. See you next time.
Son, step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.